बोला, कल नहीं बोला.
Oh no, baby. My song now has a lot of heart in it, so I think they're doing you a favor.
My songs launch.
Hello, excuse me. Excuse me. You mean our song launch?
हाँ मतलब you're also in,
I mean our song.
you're also in one.
You look hot. That the world knows, and you are fucking hot. Oh, sorry.
Yes. So, how excited are you about this launch amongst the many projects you're doing?
I think Cocktail was the first film Maddock made. I think it kind of started everything for us. So of course we are super kicked, but we'll come to the point straight. Yeah, it's quite late in the evening. So we have a little bit of a थोड़ा एक predicament है, problem है कि we have 2 heroines in the film and 1 hero. So we actually don't know. दादा थोड़ा सा नीचे आ जाओ. हाँ अभी ठीक है. कौन आ रहा है बीच में? इन हाउस. अभी ठीक है. सो बेसिकली हमारा एक इन हाउस प्रॉब्लम है कि हमारे पास 2 हीरोइन है और जनरली दे रियली गेट लॉन्ग, देयर इज नो इशू, बट द प्रॉब्लम इज दैट वी हैव 1 song with 1 girl and 1 song with the other girl. So if we launch one, the other one won't be as happy. So I think we need to decide today which song to launch. How we are going to decide that, what we're going to do is the surprise for tonight. So मुझे लग रहा है पहले दोनों को बुला लें. आप थोड़ा आवाज करोगे तो ही आएगा ना.
Dinesh sir.
I don't think they're happy. थोड़ा और बोलना पड़ेगा, थोड़ा और चिल्लाना पड़ेगा. चलो 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 चलो.
Hi Kriti. Hello, welcome. Hi.
Hello.
Hi Rashmika. Hello. Hi.
एक सेकेंड, ये 2 हीरोइन हम लोग नाम सुनने की कोशिश कर रहे थे, बोला नहीं बोला, अब तक नहीं बोला. But guys, all of you, अरे हम फोटो दे देंगे भाई, फोटो दे देंगे.
किधर नहीं जा रहे हैं आपको फोटो?
यहीं पे हैं, बात तो सुन लो. सबसे पहले all of you, welcome to my song launch guys.
You mean my song launch?
No, I mean my song launch. Actually song आज मेरा वाला launch हो रहा है, इसका सिर्फ दिल रखने के लिए हम लोग दिखा रहे हैं यहाँ पे.
Oh no, baby. My song now has a lot of heart in it, so I think they're doing you a favor to keep you cushy,
To keep me happy. Baby, I've done some 7 films with Maddock. This is my 8th. I don't think they need to keep me happy at all. I'm very happy.
Oh no, but you know, after the box office numbers of Chhava, I think the favoritism has changed a bit.
शाहिद बता सकते हैं.
Yeah, Shahid, what do you think? Whose song launch is it?
Hi guys, what's up? I just got in and I just want to say ऐसे आज तक किसी ने दीनू सर के साथ बात नहीं की बेटा. I just want to say that welcome to my songs launch.
Hello, excuse me. You mean our song launch?
हाँ मतलब you're also in,
I mean our song.
you're also in one,
Okay, you know
but
what?
I'm in both.
No, but tell us which song is your favorite?
Yeah. And who is your favorite?
Who is your favorite?
क्या है that usually ना मैं अपनी सारी पिक्चरें पहले ही देख लेता हूँ, but मुझे इस बार कुछ दिखाया ही नहीं गया है. So I think this is a question that only one man can answer. Do you know?
No, I think you need to
You
choose.
must answer
You
this
need to
question.
choose.
शायद you need to choose.
You have to choose.
अच्छा एक काम करते हैं, ये बहुत मुश्किल होने वाला है with these 2 beautiful ladies next to me. मुझे लगता है आप सबको दिखा दो और उनको कौन सा बेटर लग रहा है, कौन सा पहले डालना है. आई थिंक लेट एवरीबडी डिसाइड ना, बिकॉज
आप लोग डिसाइड करोगे कौन सा गाना लॉन्च होना चाहिए. पक्का. हाँ
पहले कौन से दिखाएं?
अभी इस पे मत झगड़ा करो. हाँ
नहीं देखो सीनियोरिटी वाइज इसकी 8 पिक्चरें हो चुकी है, तो पहला गाना तो इसका दिखा दे.
चलो ठीक है.
The senior is calling me a senior.
नहीं
Nice, huh?
इन मैडक तेरा सीनियर कोई हो ही नहीं सकता.
Okay, wait. Should we start with Jab Talak? Like, can we watch it again? Because we 3 we haven't
One
watched
second, I just want to
watched it
ask,
together.
can we watch it again?
Okay, we can. Can we? Oh, sorry.
Do we have it?
Yeah, you all will have to
Watched it
little bit
together,
more.
so I think that's a good start.
I think we'll have to move.
Should we just
Oh, yeah.
हाँ हम जाए हम लोग
I'm spitting.
Yeah,
Kriti, should we watch your song now? Yes?
I think we must. I was going to say it, but you said it.
Yes? तो अभी कृति का गाना चला देते हैं. Let's go for it, guys.
Oh, शायद भी है उसमें, हाँ? कृति और शायद.
Sorry, शायद. तो she's the दोनों गाना सुन लिया. अभी ये तो vibe change हो गया है, guys. Full vibe change. पहला वाला full party song था. This is a very different song. यहाँ पे तो पूरा heart feeling. This is a serenade song. This is a good college romance song. Okay. Okay, अभी हम लोग को decide करना पड़ेगा. Guys. Shahid is winning both songs today. Okay. Shahid, you're going to win both. Either way you win.
what okay
आइए शायद आइए. आपको कौन सा आप which is closer to your heart?
I like to give decisions when they're up to me.
Yeah.
This one's not up to me.
This is not up to you.
But no, both the songs are amazing. Both the songs are amazing, and I mean, I'm very fortunate to have two amazing actresses, superstars, beautiful ladies, extremely professional, in the absolute prime of their careers, and they've both given spectacular performances. They both are amazing looking, and I guess that's why Cocktail 2, even Kunal can't decide who to go with, and that's what the film is all about. But it's been an absolute pleasure, and it's great to have both of them and to be a part of both these songs.
Lovely.
Shahid, tell me something. Abhi, you were telling, you were saying something about chemistry, na? I loved what you said about chemistry.
ये सब बातें बताने वाली थोड़ी होती है, पागल हो गई है.
आपको कुछ केमिस्ट्री के बारे
But
में
if you
बताना
have to define chemistry and chemistry,
This is like with Rashmika, it's my first film, but it never felt like it was our first film. I honestly, whenever we got into any shot, we never even discussed what we're gonna do.
Yeah.
And I love the fact that she was all up for spontaneity, and we just had a lot of fun. So and that doesn't happen every time. So I'm really happy that we just went for it and we did whatever we did, and it was amazing to share screen space with you.
No, I fully agree. Yeah. Like every time we were working on a scene together, somehow spontaneously we would just come up with, after takes there'll be one extra tichka that we give, and we didn't even see it coming. We don't even rehearse it. It just comes, and that's what the chemistry was like magical. And thank you,
but I
Shahid.
have
You're
to
the
say,
best.
I have to say, because I was not there when you guys shot the song, obviously. I think you guys have such cute chemistry. It is adorable. The way, and I'm seeing you guys also like on screen for the first time together. Guys, how did you like that chemistry? Wasn't it
Amazing.
super cute?
Too good.
एक कौन है जिसने बोला I love it?
No, but seriously, guys, like we have definitely known for a while that you guys have something magical, the two of you, but something in Cocktail 2 is just so different. You look hot, that the world knows, and you are fucking hot. Oh, sorry. Since I didn't say
एक
it, I
शब्द
didn't say
बोला
it.
था जो नहीं बोल रहा है.
Sorry. She is
Sorry,
amazing. Like, look at her. You're so hot. Okay, I shouldn't. It's just too much love happening. It's just too much love happening, and we know the chemistry that Shahid and Kriti have shared. But something in Cocktail 2 is just so different, so magical, and when we saw Mashuka, we got a glimpse of it, and I just know that this is just the tip of the iceberg. I'm just so excited to see what's in store more, because every scene that I've heard of, it's just spectacular, and Homster's killed it, and he's yawning right now. He's just like,
He's lost a lens. Homie, come on, yeah. You have to come on stage. Arey, you have to come on stage. Are you crazy? No. People have to know the voice of this crazy guy. Guys, come on.
Yes.
The OG Cocktail director.
अच्छा जिसने दोनों गाने बनाए उनसे तो पूछते हो उसको कौन सा गाना
Mike is all yours.
you should hold on to
Dada, choose which song. I want to tell you all, Dada first time has delivered both songs on time. It was exactly 2 minutes before the event started.
चल so Pritam, you want
Dada, which song you want to launch?
माशुका तुझको.
Let's see everybody what everybody likes.
Okay, माशुका and तुझको. It sounds pretty much the same, man.
Homie, why not?
Dada's like गाना दिखा दिया. Okay, guys, before we get into which song, this film would have not been possible if Love Ranjan wasn't here. He's the one who...
Love Ranjan, yes.
So actually, he knows who he ends up with. He's the only one. So
We don't know.
Ask him.
We've shot the film, but we don't know who they end up with.
So
No, you are shooting it, right? वो तो नहीं बता सकते ना कि who he ends up with.
नहीं वो नहीं बता सकते, बट आप गाना चूज कर लो ना, आपको कौन सा गाना बेटर लग रहा है.
मैं क्यों चूज करूं यार, ये लोग चूज करेंगे.
I feel these two songs are the second and the third best songs of the film. The best song is yet to come. That's a good. Second or third one, sir? She wants to know what's the second and what's the third. That's what they have to decide. Which is the second best and which is the third best. I think we should let them decide. Let's put up a QR code and your vote. Should we make it live and interesting? तो आप बताओ कौन सा बनाना चाहिए. पक्का एकदम seriously करना. फोटो खींचना 1 सेकंड छोड़ देना. ठीक है ना? तो genuinely vote करो फिर हम वापस आते हैं. ठीक है?
इतना वीडियो लेके क्या
ये जब तक बंदा माने खड़े हो जाए जब से आया है ये बंदा बिना वो रिलीज हो गया है इनसिक्योर मत कर हम लोग को यार काफी दिनों से चल रहा है अच्छा भी लग रहा है
पर अच्छा ना बोल रहे हो. तो इसके बाद सब आएंगे एक बार आपको सब फोटो देंगे सब देंगे. पहले आप प्रॉपर्ली वोटिंग करो. मेक सेंस.
हम लोग 2 मिनट जा रहे हैं ताकि आपको शर्म ना हो कि को बंद करेंगे रश्मि
भाई फोन छोड़ दो मतलब वीडियो लेना छोड़ दो फोन मत छोड़ो
भाई सब लोग वोट कर रहे हैं कि नहीं कर रहे
Shahid, can I ask you a question? Could we, while the votes are being counted, now you have two beautiful co-actresses. आप chemistry के बारे में बात कर रहे थे. Who do you have a better chemistry with, as per your opinion?
I think Rashmika and Kriti have amazing chemistry.
Right. Right.
Although there are not so many scenes without me, so maybe I'm the reason why they have the amazing chemistry. It passes from one to me to the other and then back, and we're just flowing in
Amazing.
that soup of chemistry. That's what Cocktail 2 is all about.
Soup starter होता है. We're not here about soup. So here for cocktail.
Main course के लिए ticket लगता है.
Let's go. Okay. Pritam da, hello sir. How is it going? Sir, can we give you a mic? Sir, you have brought so many songs to life in people's love playlists, right? And this is all you. Now, in these two songs, which is closer to your heart?
Yaar, every kid of mine is important to me.
Oh. So diplomatic parent.
It's not diplomatic.
No.
अभी मेरा full life में when any song releases, they are as important to me. जो गाना फ्लॉप हो जाता है, they become very important to me. और जो हिट हो जाता है वो तो ठीक है, लोगों को अच्छा लगा तो करेक्ट. हर बच्चा है तो वो अच्छा निकल गया.
Okay.
जो अच्छा गाना है और जो उतना काम नहीं करता है, they are really dear to me.
Right. So, Abhi sir,
I hope
their song in this album.
Yeah, so but I'm saying, when it comes to everybody, I don't think there should be any song which is dear to me. So
that you have no favorites. Okay. Big round of applause for Pritam Da one more time. Yes. Okay, now in a spirit of sportsmanship, now I will ask Rashmika to say good things about Mashuka. No, about the first song, about Mashuka.
But
Good. Rashmika to say good things about the first song.
yeah, I will say any which way.
You will say.
No goodness of the heart and all facts.
No, yeah. So I'm saying, Abhi, now we are here. We are voting for two. We're voting for yours. We're voting for yours, right? हाँ. तो आपको माशुका गाना क्यों पसंद है?
Because of the music, because of these two wonderful, stunning people. I'm not going to say fucking. Oh, do I know? Yes, sorry. Because of these stunning people.
Right.
And
No
because
spoilers.
Huh?
No spoilers.
No spoilers. Of course, no
No,
spoilers.
no.
I'm the most secretive person you can find.
Yeah.
Hopefully. And Homester has just created magic with this film.
Right.
I think Homester has to speak about the magic of Mashuka.
Yes. Of course.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, homie.
Okay, I'll tell you something about Mashuka. We actually, I don't think Shahid and Kriti ever knew when we were shooting Mashuka. And I think that's why it really worked out, because they just got into a car, drove around the beautiful roads of Sicily and didn't know when we were rolling the camera and when we were not rolling the camera. And I think when you watch it, you see a lot of just them being them and just having a blast. And yeah, so I guess the chemistry is pretty organic and not acted out. You guys are
What's the difference? Sexy.
And-
I've got a question. What's the difference between Cocktail 1 and Cocktail 2?
Yeah.
Cocktail 1 and Cocktail 2, I think, shit, I know this is going to just go down badly, so I'm going to just avoid saying anything. But I think there is a story in Cocktail 2, which helps it.
So love.
Love, yeah. Love's written a story.
Song, you have to choose one of the two films. If they have to choose one song out of the two, you have to choose one film out of
Cocktail 1 and 2?
Yes.
No, dude, like Preetham said, yeah, it's like your children.
Both of them are your children.
Yeah, so I mean, you like one better on one day and you like one better on another day, but you love them both the same. Right now, I like Cocktail 2 more.
Yeah. What's your what is the thing that you're waiting for? We are most excited for people to see.
Yeah, I just think it's them, man. And right now the trailer. Yeah.
The trailer.
The trailer is a very, very banging trailer. It's
Yeah.
very sexy and different trailer. It's entertaining. It pulls at your heartstrings, and it's got fantastic music by the collaborators. Yeah. So we feel pretty good about this. I think we've got some good stuff going. Now talk to someone else, please.
Okay, big round of applause for Omia Jaya, ladies and gents. Yes. Yes, one more. Come on, guys. Big round of applause. Yes. Love sir, can we talk to you, sir? Sir जी, आप बताओ. What is जी sir.
Because the first Cocktail was written by Imtiaz Ali.
Okay.
Okay, I'm a huge fan of Imtiaz sir.
हाँ sir.
And I told Dinu and homie that better make a good film. Because सबसे ज़्यादा गाली मुझे पड़ेगी कि ये होता है जब इम्तियाज अली को लेब्रन जेम्स से रिप्लेस करते हो.
Got it.
So I want this to work so that I don't let him down.
Right, of course.
Right.
That's
I have to match up to the standards.
If you don't like anything, it's his fault.
और अगर ये ज़्यादा चली,
It's yours.
So there will be
ये
problem.
तो पिछली में भी थे दोनों.
Correct. Yeah, it's a spiritual sequel. The cast has changed, but Homie, Dinu, and Preetham Da have been constant in both the films. Ankur sir, what are you most excited about for people to see in the film as a producer in this film?
I haven't seen anything of the film. So before anyone sees it, I am very excited about seeing what is there, what Love has written, what Varun has written. I'm also very excited about being associated with a brand like this.
Right, of course.
Yeah.
Okay.
Nobody has seen the film.
Right.
Omi has seen the film.
Okay, so sir, आपने भी ये दोनों गाने पहली बार देखे आज?
मैं गाने देख भी नहीं पाया, मैं पीछे खड़ा हूँ.
लोग पीछे खड़े थे तो गाने देख नहीं पाए हम लोग.
वो तो आपने भी होप भी नहीं दिया.
सुन रहे थे.
भी नहीं दिया हमने.
अरे lovely. Taran sir, what about you? What are you most excited about? What do you want people to see?
I think same चीज, बस गाली ना पड़े कि पहले का काम खराब कर दिया. इसमें डाउन साइड बहुत है. अपसाइड होगा कि चलो नाम बचा लिया.
Right, of course.
पर गड़बड़ हो गया तो गाली बहुत पड़ी.
Right. Okay. Dinu sir, what do you want to say a few words?
No, we've said enough, no?
You said enough.
I think we've said enough.
Are we ready?
So I
for-
can say one thing that a big, I think the soul of Cocktails actually, Pritam, because I don't think I enjoy doing music with anyone as much as I enjoy doing with him. We are also quite crazy because everything gets delayed, not because of him, but because of us. But I really feel that I wanted to push sound on this film, and I think Pritam has been instrumental in doing that. So this is a very, very new album. And one of the biggest victories for me is my first film was directed by Homi Adajania, and 20 years later, Cocktail 2 has been directed by the same gentleman. So I think,
Better for people to see.
I'll take both.
To see in the film?
Yes. Which one?
Okay, let me just say that the most fun I had was working with Homi.
Right.
And what Homi made the three of us do.
Yeah.
Because I feel that I haven't done something like this in a very long time.
Of course.
And I didn't know what to do when I came on this film. I actually said yes to the film even before hearing the story of it, because I really enjoyed his work and I loved the cast that they had put together, and I knew the sense of the film. And of course, me and Love met and he took me through the film, and then Homi's interpretation of the same script was so interesting to see how it was written and how I read it and how he saw it, and then what he made us do with it. And I always look to do something original and different, and I must say that I feel that Homi made me do something I didn't expect that I will do. And I think the way he made me and Kriti as characters come across, and then of course me and Rashmika for the first time, I had a blast on this film. I've loved every day on this set. I've had so much fun with everybody here who was on that set, and I think eventually that energy always shows in a film, and Cocktail 2 needs to be that. You can't force that energy on a film. I'm guessing the first one also happened for the same reasons. Some things are just inherent and natural, and Homi just brings that out in everybody. So my takeaway from this film is the time I spent with him and what he did with the three of us.
Lovely.
Thank you, man.
Okay, that was a really nice thing that he said about.
Beautiful thing.
Yeah, that was very nice. What do you guys have to say about Homi as a director?
Enough? Yeah.
This is your only good things about you.
I think you all should say like spill some beans now.
Yeah.
Okay, he's a real asshole.
Let's swang it.
It's a shwanga, yeah.
No, to be honest.
Other words? No, bas.
No, मैं इतनी कथा नहीं बोलूँगी. I can say. He really wants to go back home or what? No, he's not shy, he's sleepy. No, but to be honest, I think what Shahid just said, like we've just had a lot of fun and he's captured it. He used to always just ask us to, just be, like just have fun, just be. And he used to tell me, don't think so much. And just be, and just have a hop and a skip and a jump in your step. Yeah, but I think you bring that energy, Homi. I think we've had a blast, and like you said, even in Marshuka, we didn't know when the camera was rolling, and the way you shoot anything, I don't think we even imagine it to look that beautiful. And I think
You guys look that beautiful, yeah. You guys.
Oh, guys, come on. All the one time, yaar.
Now since we're done like kissing each other, let's move on.
Oh,
what? No.
No?
No.
Wait, let me be nice. Yeah, tomorrow. Japan. Okay, no, but first, for me though, definitely guys, this has been something extremely different, and I was surprised that I could do something like this, and this is only because of Homester, Homi. We're so used to calling you Homester, is that, I know, but we're so used to calling him Homester. But genuinely, like I don't know if I'll be able to do a film like this again. I don't know if me in this film is definitely the best I could have, ever portrayed Diya, but I've truly had fun. I've had a blast. It's super late in the night, and I understand all of us want to go have dinner and go to bed, but Homester, thank you. We love you.
Thank you, love you guys. Okay, now there's an actual vote here. Yeah. Back to the song.
Yeah,
So
back to the
I want it so that it's ekdam genuine. There are 144 votes. Okay, so we want one person from you. Who was screaming Jab Talak, Jab Talak? Who was that guy? चलो आप लोग एक बंदा नॉमिनेट करके भेजो, वही पढ़े एग्जैक्ट वोट विद द लाइव, के ऐसा नहीं लगे हमने रिक किया है. Why don't you come? किसी को भी भेजो यार, कौन आएगा?
आजा भाई, आजा.
अच्छा पीछे से आ जाओ, कोई तुम लोगों को फोटो चाहिए? अरे ओपन दिस, लॉक हो गया. No, I won't read. Come, you come read it. आ जाओ, come. You come. Come. Where's the phone? Open it. Give it to him. You should be honest, na? Chalo, read it. How are you?
You take party, guys.
This is the how many votes? Now do it properly, yeah? We've got you up and all.
So it's 144 votes in total. Kriti and Shahid's song has gotten 55.6%, and Rashmika and Shahid's song has gotten 44.4%. So it's Kriti and Shahid's song, guys.
Guys,
let's go.
So basically कृति का स्टाफ 20 लोग का है. ऐसा मुझे लग रहा है. अगर 4-5 लोग कम कर दे तो 50-50 हो जाएगा. नहीं, आपको क्या लगता? चीटिंग है. क्या होना चाहिए? अच्छा, किसने वोट नहीं किया इसमें 144 में? नहीं किया ना? तो आप किसको दे रहे हो? दादा, they are saying both songs. You confirm? So right now we are going to launch.
दोनों गाने डाल दो, क्या फर्क पड़ता है?
नहीं, बट वो इसको बोलना पड़ेगा. मैं ऐसा नर्वस हो रहा हूँ.
और प्रीतम ऐसे देख रहे हैं, ये फाइनल मिक्स नहीं था. ये शिट, दोनों गाने शिट.
आई थिंक दादा 20 लोग लेके आए थे. कि भाई देखना माशुका ही है.
प्रीतम दा, आपको कुछ बोलना है? Do you want to say something, sir?
What do you feel? Should we honor the vote or launch both? Because it's very close. 46.
जब तक रीमिक्स लॉन्च कर देते हैं. वो तो हो ही गया होगा.
No, I think we should honor the votes.
sorry, Dada, you're so cheap.
I think,
but guys, guarantee वो 20 लोग मेरे नहीं थे, वो दादा के थे.
दादा, आपने बोला you have no favorites.
अरे नहीं, you all launch whatever you want to.
मेरे ऊपर मत डालो.
No, I don't know any solution of this. I think हम लोग एक गाना अभी लॉन्च करके और इमीडिएटली और एक गाना लॉन्च कर सकते हैं, या एक साथ. अभी यूनिवर्सल मार्केटिंग लग रही है और नॉट इतना क्लोज गाना 2 लॉन्च हो सकते हैं.
दादा दोनों एक साथ कर देते ना.
हाँ,
दोनों एक साथ कर देते.
दादा देखो, एक्चुअली क्या हो गया, इन लोगों ने दोनों गाने रिकॉर्ड कर लिए.
हाँ,
तो अभी वो रॉन्ग मिक्स विद डाउनग्रेडेड विजुअल्स, कौन से गाने को आप सैक्रिफाइस करने के लिए तैयार हो? नहीं तो दोनों ही लॉन्च कर दो ना. तो सब ऐसे उल्टे सीधे विजुअल के साथ.
मुझे सब मार्केटिंग नहीं आया था. आप लोग देख लो, जो लॉन्च होगा मेरे लिए ठीक है. I think we should honor the vote.
Definitely it was your 20 people.
But I just want to say, one sec, apart from whatever you are head of marketing, so you decide. But I just want to say I'm very, very happy because I'm working with Dinu after a very long time, with Maddock after a very long time, and our journey has been my journey with Dinu started in 2006, I think, and we have had a very, very special journey with a lot of great albums, which includes Homeless Cocktail 1, and I'm just happy that I'm coming back working with Maddock after like how many years? Almost 9 years. Yeah, so I'm just looking forward to this album, and I had a blast. अभी एल्बम वर्क करे कि नहीं करे, आई डोंट नो. एक तो आई एम सुपर हैप्पी बिकॉज आई हैड अ ब्लास्ट थ्रू द प्रोसेस. आई थिंक वन ऑफ द lovely process. We enjoy Sicily a lot, and I can guarantee that कितना commercial ये album we will talk after 5 years. मैंने आई एम श्योर ये उतना देर 5-6 years 10 years बाद आप लोग ये एल्बम के बारे में बात करेंगे.
And to celebrate 9 years, we will launch both songs. Say fast, yes or no?
नहीं वो मैं नहीं करता. ये आपका डिसीजन है. आई थिंक वी शुड ऑनर द वोट. वोट आया और सब दिया. किसने वोट नहीं दिया?
Oh, listen, forget the mix. Yeah, we have to honor both the heroines. That's above everything. We have to honor both the heroines. अभी इसको टॉप करके दिखाओ.
ये तो you know
He's still trying to figure कि कैसे दोनों गाने एक साथ देने से निकलूं मैं.
अरे दोनों गाने एक साथ नहीं होता यार. मार्केटिंग सही है. मार्केटिंग सही है क्या? यू कैन डू सो मार्केटिंग
सही करो अच्छा होगा.
अरे नहीं होता है. एक लॉन्च करो उसके बाद एक करो.
So after how many days? मांडवली कर लेते हैं. So Monday and Wednesday.
Monday and Thursday.
So Monday and Thursday. ठीक है. Monday को माशूका, Thursday को तुझको. चलो डन. लॉक. Everyone gets happy. चलो
Yes.
Thank you everybody. अगर आप लोग नहीं होते तो दादा नेक्स्ट 10 दिन गाना नहीं देते. Thank you everyone. Thank you for coming and have a lovely
Thank you guys. Thank you for being so patient. Thank you so much.
हाँ? Hello. One second. Guys. एक second. While you are taking photos, Raghav से माशूका गवाए. The singer is here. सुनना है आप लोग? हाँ ठीक है. Come Raghav, where are you Raghav?
अभी ये हुआ था डिसीजन. अगर माशूका जीतेगा तो राघव और हरजोत जो सॉरी रुआ के अभी उसका नया नाम हो गया. रुआ के और राघव विल सिंह माशूका. अगर माशूका नीचे जाता है तुझको जीतता तो आई हैव टू सिंग तुझको बिकॉज ऑब्वियसली अरविंद इज नॉट हियर. सो आई चल. Guys, come on, big round of applause, guys. Talia, guys, come on. This is the cast. They've given you both songs. एनर्जी डिप नहीं करना है.